All right, so you'll come to this screen when you go to the Parallel Practice Logging.midcreate.net site. You should be able to log in with the email address or the first part of the email address that your instructor shared with me. In this case, I'm just going to log in as test. I'll put my password in. If you get your password lost, just request one by clicking here on lost your password. It should send you an email. That email might get caught in spam, so keep an eye out there, but it might take a few minutes to get there. So that should work though, but if you get stuck, your instructor knows how to get in touch with me. So I'm going to click login. What it's going to do is redirect me to a page. The title should match what your email address is, the first portion anyway, and you'll see nothing to begin with. You got to add practice button here at the bottom. You're going to choose your course, enter the information. There's a couple required fields, but not all of them are required, so I'm just going to put a few in. Notice that when you click on things, little boxes for additional detail show up. So you could put some stuff in there. You could also indicate other things like that you might need help. Anyway, once you've got that done, you can hit submit. It'll confirm. You close it, and then bam, it's got an entry here. In this case, it flags it with the need help symbol. Should be this information that you want here. If you find out that maybe you made a mistake, maybe it was 33 minutes, just hit the edit button, change whatever it is that you want to change, hit submit again, and there we go, it changes it. And then as you add practice, and if you're in two courses, you can just choose whichever one of these that you want. So let's just see what it looks like. And if I don't have anything else to share, I can just hit submit. And there we go. So a new one of these will come for each entry that you make. The newest entry that you made will be open like this, but you can close it and you can expand previous entries if you want to look back through it and kind of see what you've done. So hopefully that helps get a grip on what's going on. And if you hit any bumps or anything, talk to your instructor. We'll keep working to make this better.